Hello everybody, it's Paulie with Slaughter Food Creations. Got a great recipe for you today. Blackened shrimp with roasted garlic butter cream sauce over pasta. Stay tuned, it's super easy. You're gonna love it. Alright, we're gonna start with the sauce first. I've got a saucepan here on medium to high heat. We'll go in with a couple tablespoons of butter and about a tablespoon of flour. We'll get a roux going here. And it's okay, we're going to stir it, keep it from getting too brown, but we want a nice caramel color to it there. We'll let that continue to cook. I pulled it off the heat, as you can see, just to cool it off just a smidge. Alright, we've got our butter and our flour going there, nice caramel color. I'm going to add 2 cloves of smashed roasted garlic to that. Continue to stir. Alright, it's smelling very nice in here. As you can see, I'm consistently stirring it. It's been about 30-45 seconds here, so I'm going to add my heavy cream. That's a cup there, but I'm going to go ahead and add like another cup to it and continue stirring. Alright, so we've added the cream. We're going to go ahead and continue stirring occasionally, and I'm also going to go ahead and season with kosher salt and cracked black pepper. And you'll want to taste this to get it to your specification as far as salt content. Alright, after a few minutes of consistently stirring, and we got our seasoning where we want it, you got our nice creamy sauce here. So I'm going to go ahead and cover this and let it sit while we do up our shrimp and pasta. Alright, I've got our skillet here heated up. I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, like so. I've got our shrimp here with blackened seasoning. These are 1620. I've got one side done. I'll season the rest before I flip it. But we'll just sear these off a minute or so each side until perfectly done. But I'm just using a local blackening seasoning here for these. So you can use whatever kind of blackening seasoning mix you like. These have been cleaned, deveined, etc. So after about a minute, you give them a flip. We don't want them overcooking, so if you do about a minute each side and pull them, you're good to go. Look at those gorgeous looking shrimp, the color, and oh so tasty. Cooking my shrimp, I've got fresh pasta here. This only takes 3 minutes to cook. So I've got water going here. We'll put that in there in about 3 minutes and it'll be done, al dente, ready to go. And like I said, I just dropped the pasta in, and it's in some salted water. That's all, kosher salt. And in about 2 more minutes, that'll be done. Alright, there's our gorgeous looking shrimp. And our pasta, linguine in this case, and our roasted garlic butter cream sauce. So you'll just obviously go ahead and get some on there. Oh, and make a noise while you're doing it, because why not? A little added noise don't hurt anybody, huh? But there they are, gorgeous, I tell you. Cheers. See you soon. Thank you for watching.